Hi, this is Divya Khosla, and you're watching me on Chat पे चर्चा with Filmy.
Yes, healthy
fruit
fruit chart. I'm so happy, and सबसे सबसे ज्यादा कौन हैप्पी होने वाला है? मेरी मम्मी, क्योंकि मैं फ्रूट्स नहीं खाता हूँ. She'll be like, इसी बहाने
So I'm
तेरे
like,
हाथ में फ्रूट्स
Auntie,
है.
I did the impossible.
Yes.
Look. So I'm a very healthy eater. I only eat घर का खाना, and I like Indian food. So रोटी, सब्जी, दाल, चावल.
ये होना खाने में तो मजा आ जाए.
Oh, I love bread पकौड़ा.
Oh wow.
जब मैं बहुत थक जाती हूँ तो बस bread पकौड़ा. शूटिंग के बाद जब आती हूँ एक hectic day of work से tired like anything, I say I just want bread pakoda. I think because it establishes me, it cements my position as an artist, as an actor.
Has your son seen Savi? What was his reaction जब उन्होंने
Very
देखा
proud
होगा?
of me. Very proud of me. And he plays his Roblox game, which is Prison Break and all that. Kids, na. I miss her a lot. No minute of mine actually passes when she's not in my thoughts, and I just sometimes feel so emotional and heavy that, because I know what she would have said. पापा घर वापस आ रहे हैं. कब? बहुत जल्दी.
Hi guys, welcome to Filmy Beat. This is Murtaza Iqbal, and मैं बहुत टाइम से सोच रहा था कि मैं एक शो शुरू करूं. अभी मैं इतने कॉन्सेप्ट दिमाग में आए, but then I thought कि यार just look at me. खाना is love for me. तो फिर मैंने सोचा to start a show called चाट पे चर्चा, and my first guest on the show is someone I love the most. Well, it's Divya Khosla who is here with us today. Hi
Thank
Divya,
you,
welcome to
Murtaza.
Filmy Beats चाट पे
Thank
चर्चा.
you.
So first of all शुरू करें. आपको I know
Yes.
भूख लगी है. Please
Thank
have.
you. We are having a healthy
Yes, healthy fruit chart. I'm so happy, and सबसे सबसे ज्यादा कौन हैप्पी होने वाला है? मेरी मम्मी, क्योंकि मैं फ्रूट्स नहीं खाता हूँ. She'll be like, इसी बहाने
So
तेरे
I'm
हाथ
like,
में फ्रूट्स
Auntie,
है.
I did the impossible.
Yes.
Look.
She's going to be the happiest. She's like, तेरे हाथ में फ्रूट्स है,
How?
बहुत बड़ी बात है. So दिव्या, बहुत सी चीजों के बारे में बात करनी है, but of course Savi, I had to love the film. Your performance OTT पे आई है. It's trending globally, more than like 15 countries. How does that feel?
So it's at number 1 list में in India, Pakistan, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Qatar, Mauritius, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Singapore, Malaysia, and I think शायद कुछ मैंने miss भी की है.
Across the globe ही बोल दो.
So I'm very, very thankful, very happy. My smile is not going. I'm just so thankful to the audience for appreciating and accepting my work. Yeah.
Right. So of course I would like to know कि कमर्शियल सक्सेस भी इस फिल्म को मिला था. हाउ डज दैट फील जब वो सुनोगे ओके सावी इज अ हिट, वो वाला जो एक कमर्शियल सक्सेस वाला वैलिडेशन मिल जाता है, हाउ डज दैट फील? प्लीज हैव इट आल्सो. वरना हम तो ऐसे है कि मैं और दिव्या इतने जानते हैं एक दूसरे को, हम चर्चा करते रहेंगे, खाएंगे नहीं.
आई थिंक एज अ आर्टिस्ट आप वर्क करते हो इसके लिए ही, दर्शकों के प्यार के लिए. दैट्स द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. और जब दर्शक आपके काम को प्यार देते हैं, so that's the biggest high. So this also gives me, it'll open up new opportunities for me, new doors for me. So I'm just excited because I know as an artist there's so much inside me which I want to do, which I want to bring out, but जब तक right opportunities आपके पास नहीं आती, आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. And I have just been waiting for the right opportunity since many years, so I think it was really due for me.
Finally, I remember asking you this. Yeah, I'm having.
You have to eat for your mom.
Yeah.
Auntie C.
आज मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ दिव्या की वजह से फ्रूट्स खा रहा हूँ, and my mother is going to be very happy for this. So I want to know.
Yeah, because आपका चार्ट पे चर्चा था, and I put up a condition that no gluten, no dairy. So he's eating.
But ठीक है ना, fruit चाट भी अच्छी बात है. If you want more चाट मसाला, we have here that also.
Good.
I don't know this. I remember asking you before the release that पहले जो कुछ हुआ था maybe इतने critical acclaim नहीं मिले थे, but this time I think all the reviewers have praised you. Does that also give you validation as an artist? ऑडियंस से तो आई थिंक पहले भी प्यार मिला है, इवन जस्ट म्यूजिक वीडियो में आपको बहुत प्यार मिल जाता था, पर वो क्रिटिकल अक्लेम वाला जो पार्ट था वो इस बार हुआ है. Does that make you like validation? Okay, now everyone will start taking me seriously that okay, I'm an actress as well.
Yeah, it does. I think because it establishes me, it cements my position as an artist, as an actor, and of course I've directed a successful film. So वो मैंने किया है, but as an actor director now, I feel I've really cemented my position. And I want to work with many directors. We have such talented filmmakers, so I hope I get an opportunity to work with them now.
Right, but कितने offers आए हैं सावी के बाद? Have you been busy with the scripts?
Yeah, I've been busy with the scripts. I've been getting very good scripts. And you know, now after Savi, since Savi mein I was the
Yeah.
protagonist and the film was on me, in fact also on my name, which was so good. In fact, I was telling Mukesh Bhatt sir and my director Abhinay Deoji that let's not name it Savi. मुझे ऐसा लगता था Savi नाम की picture देखने कौन आएगा? It's very odd, you know. So I wanted a more commercial name, but they said no. Why don't you keep the name on your character? So they were so insistent, they didn't listen to me and they didn't agree. I'm happy अब ऐसे हुआ. But after this, of course, I would like to do films where I have a meaty role and you know where. Uh, I can really get an opportunity to perform. Yeah.
Correct.
So in that way, I think I'll become I'll be choosy. I'm already very choosy, but I've been getting very good scripts. और जो scripts आ रही है वो ऐसी आ रही हैं जिसमें you know which are based on me, so which is a very exciting thing.
Correct. You know, of course, I would like to know, please have
जी
also.
जी
वरना
जी
जैसे मैंने कहा कि मैं और दिव्या सिर्फ
जी
चर्चा करते जाएंगे और चाट
जी
खाना में टाइम नहीं मिलेगा हमें. I want to understand this that
Hmm.
now has direction taken a backseat by any chance कि वो भी plans है साथ में?
See, it's very difficult for me to act and direct at the
Hmm.
same time. And right now, I'm totally focusing on acting, but in the future, I would love to direct.
Yeah, I would also like to know that has your son seen Savi? What was
Hmm.
his reaction जब उन्होंने
Very
देखा
proud
होगा?
of me. Very proud of me. And he plays his Roblox game,
Yeah,
you know, which is Prison Break and all
yeah.
that kids now. So he loved it. He's like, this is your best performance till date, and this is like my most favorite movie till date.
And are you like ready with कहते हैं ना, what do you say? I would like to say कि award speeches also because I'm sure एक तो जीत ही चुके थे आप बीच में for
जी
Savi.
जी
I'm sure there'll be more
midday
as
का
well.
award
Yeah.
for best actress.
So
Yeah.
are you ready with the speeches?
No, I'm not ready with the speeches at all. I think वो बहुत I would like कि organic होना चाहिए. ऐसे सोचा it's just about
Yeah.
emotions, you know, your feelings. So I hope that they consider me and give me the award. I've dreamt about it though.
Yes. You know, of course, the super success that you are getting. Are you missing auntie by any chance?
I miss her a lot. No minute of mine actually passes when she's not in my thoughts, and I just sometimes feel so emotional and heavy that you know because I know what she would have said. I know exactly her words, so I feel very emotional and um, she gave me blessings while going, and I think it's a result of those blessings.
Right. So Divya, now what's next? Of course, hero heroine is happening that we all are
Mhm.
waiting for. We have loved you, the poster and everything. Have you
Mhm.
started working on it? Telugu also.
Yes.
कैसे चल रहा है वो
So
zone?
I'm doing my Telugu prep. I'm
Yeah.
learning Telugu, and they want a certain character which is very different.
Yeah.
So getting into the character, all that prep is on. But before that, I'm starting a Hindi film.
Oh, nice.
So I'll finish that and then go.
Which one is that? Give us some hint now.
So you know what? Savi, actually we didn't announce. We
I
kept
know,
our
I know.
mouths
And I
shut.
remember you, मैं told you कि मैंने Instagram पे देखा था आपको hurt हो गया था
Yes.
और आपने बोला था but that time also Savi was not announced.
So we announced it only 21 days before the release. So मैं थोड़ा superstitious हो गया. मुझे ऐसा लगता है मुझे मेरी कोई पिक्चर अनाउंस नहीं करनी चाहिए, बस आ जाना चाहिए लास्ट मिनट. तो अभी मेरा कोई प्लान्स नहीं है. मैं चुपचाप शूट करूंगी और फिर चुपचाप आ जाऊंगी.
Right. Also, you know, अगर मैं हम चाट पे चर्चा कर रहे हैं, so I would like to know what the kind of food you know you eat, daily routine आपकी क्या होती है या diet you follow like throughout the year या performance like roles के ऊपर होता है.
So I'm a very healthy eater. I only eat घर का खाना and I like Indian food.
Yeah.
So रोटी, सब्जी, दाल, चावल. So I eat healthy. बाहर का तो मुझे याद भी नहीं मैंने कब खाया था. So yeah, this is my diet and this is my staple. But I never diet.
Yeah.
Otherwise I'll feel very fatigued and I always make sure that I'm eating. You know, so that's very important.
Yeah. But what is your go-to food? Like कहते हैं ना कि ये होना खाने में तो मजा आ जाए.
Oh, I love bread pakoras.
Oh wow.
जब मैं बहुत थक जाती हूँ तो बस bread pakoras. शूटिंग के बाद जब आती हूँ एक हेक्टिक डे
हाँ.
ऑफ वर्क से टायर्ड लाइक एनीथिंग आई से आई जस्ट वांट ब्रेड पकौड़ास. वो खा लूंगी तो तृप्ति मिल जाएगी.
Correct. Do you cook?
No, I don't cook.
You don't cook. Okay, Maggie.
Yeah, Maggie I can
Maggie
cook.
तो हम
Maggie
सबको
I've
आ
cooked
जाती है, I
it,
think
but I
so.
don't eat Maggie. I used to eat, but then
Yeah.
उसके बाद I don't eat.
Correct. So you know, of course, जैसे आपने कह तो दिया कि आप हमें बताएंगी नहीं नेक्स्ट मूवी के बारे में, बट एक सवाल जो आई एम श्योर आपके डीएम्स पे भी आता है और मैं हर एक इंटरव्यू में से 3 साल से पूछ रहा हूँ, याद पिया के आने लगी का पार्ट 2. मैं थक गया हूँ and I'm sure DMs are full. Correct?
Yeah.
They all have been
Every
waiting for.
person and whosoever I've met.
Yeah.
in my
I'll be very
lifetime.
honest. Sorry to cut you,
Every
but I want to
single
tell you that
person
Yaad
has
Piya
asked
के
me.
आने लगी, I feel got back pop again. The
Yeah,
boost that it gave.
yeah. But nowadays, you know, YouTube is down, like music-wise. So music is just not working on YouTube, and music videos aren't working again, which is so unfortunate. कुछ एल्गोरिथम चेंज कर देते हैं, फिर उनको ऐसा लग रहा होगा हमारे गाने बहुत आगे जा रहे हैं, तो कुछ
Right.
तो YouTube ने एल्गोरिथम चेंज किया, एंड दैट्स सो सैड बिकॉज सडनली वो डाउन हो गया.
Yeah. But है कुछ plans आपने बात किया है राधिका मैम या विनय सर
बहुत
से?
बार बोल चुकी हूँ, पर उनके माइंड में अभी तक कोई प्लान नहीं है, टू बी ट्रू.
Correct. So Divya, it was lovely chatting with you.
थैंक यू. आपने
And
खाया ही नहीं.
मैंने खाया
आपने कुछ
मैंने
भी नहीं
खाया,
खाया
ऐसा
और
नहीं
आप
मैंने
अभी छोड़ के चले जाओगे.
See, I'm eating,
आंटी
Mama.
मुझे डांटेंगी.
I'm eating. So thank you so much for being the
Thank you for
first guest on
having
my
me.
show.
Thank
And as
you.
Savi is success, मेरा show भी success हो जाएगा.
Yes.
And thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you.
और हम
Thank you
खाते
so
रहेंगे,
much.
अगर ये कट भी हो गया तो don't worry about it.